Welcome back, folks. EIA says that U.S. natural gas stockpiles rose 70 BCF.
Median estimate 62.
Okay.
And market jumping around a bit. So a little bit more than they thought. More supply, lower prices, right? So you get the price trading about 2 to 2.5 pennies lower. We looked at the possible trade setups. If you were looking at noon, you had 285 as a possible price point. So coming in at almost 287, you would have been having about 2 pennies, which would be $20 in those contracts of intrinsic value in there.
Right.
It just would have been a kind of a bullish trade. You still could have made it. And this kind of emphasizes that point, as in, you know, if you're just looking for pure volatility in either direction, well, you got a 2.5, 3 penny move, but your max loss would have been 285, right? Because you're in the head. So that's why it's a little bit of a bullish trade. You could have taken the bearish trade, which was lining up at like only $7, right? And then that starts to get interesting if you actually do get some negative, because that's an out-of-the-money spread.
Right. And what we look for, folks, is the closest, the spread is that you want the closest to what the actual either oil or gas is trading at that particular point, so that it's truly a volatility trade that you know.
Now, to put it, you know, so right now we actually are trading at 285 right on the dot. So it'd be interesting if you said, you know what, I don't think it's going to stay here. You can make the volatility trade right now almost again.
And these are noons we're looking at right here.
And so you're making it for about $21, which you need about 2.1 pennies away from 285. And what's nice when it lines up like that is that you can see they're pretty similarly bid offer, as in no intrinsic value on either side, and you're just paying about 1 penny a premium on each side, or about $10.
And the contract itself is quite a move this morning in general.
I mean, we went from about 289 and we spiked to 284, so that's 5 pennies right there. And as we see with these numbers, sometimes it takes some time to sort out where this market wants to go, coming off of an inventory number.
Pretty wild. Welcome back, folks. Dow right now down to 67. NADEX up 6. S&Ps are off 8, off 3 rather.
Can we check back in on our natural gas as we end the hour, just for a quick peek? So 286, you know, we spiked down initially right on that news to 284.24, back up to 286. If you were taking that noon, you would add 285 as your price point. You'd still have an hour of exposure, see what happens. But nothing too dramatic, even as Jack was saying, nothing too dramatic in the oil market as we're sitting 69.86 still. The only thing dramatic, that's what I was going to say.
Amazon's the news out here today, folks.